Okay, let's start now. Choose the correct answer. Who can help me?
It will be 3 by 6 equal 9.
Yes.
No, 18.
Anas?
18.
Okay. Let's see. What is the name of this? Who can tell? When you see this shape, what is the name of it? Yes,
it's an
dear?
equation.
Equation. What?
It's an equation.
What is the name of this? It's an equation for what? What is the name of it? Here, this is square. And this another square. And here we have a different or minus sign. What is the name of it? You can remind me. This called what? The difference between two squares. Do you remember now? The difference between two squares. It means if I need to factorize this shape, what I will do? I will open two brackets like this.
Yes.
Yeah, this x, x power of 2, one x here and another x there. Yeah. What about this y?
One
y and another 1y.
Y there. How about the sign inside?
Plus and minus.
I will put here what? Yeah, plus and minus. If you make like this, you give it to you. Yeah. X minus y, we have it here already, equal 3. And x plus y, we have it here already, x.
6.
If you have to,
3 multiply 6 equal 18.
It means what here, two parentheses beside each other. It means we have here multiplication sign. 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay. This question for you, grade 9. Do we have something called the sum of two squares? This called the difference between two squares. In math, do we have something called the sum between two squares? Yani we can factorize something like this. X power of 2 plus y power of 2. Do we have something like this or no? Yani we can factorize.
Yeah.
Huh? How? Yes. I will make by the same way, two brackets like this, x here and x there and something like this.
No.
Yeah.
What I will do? X, okay, and y. Then what I will do?
Plus. Both of them plus.
Yeah.
Both of them. Are you sure from your answer?
1 plus and 1 minus.
Okay.
One same.
If you make 1 plus and 1 minus, it means that the sign it will be minus because it measures. Yeah. So, we don't have in math something called the sum between two squares to factorize. We don't have. If you see something like this, no, we can't. Okay. We will make it. I will make it by the normal way. And here also, if you see something like this, you can make it like this. X square power of 2 plus y power of 2. If you see something like this, you can make it like this. Or this equal this, yes or no? Yes or no? No. Do you know why? Because this multiplication, normal multiplication, what I will do to answer this question, multiply the first one here for the first one. I will distribute, multiply the first one to the second one. If you finish this, multiply the second like this by the first and the second by the second. This normal multiplication. You got it, dears? So this called what again? This called what? The difference between two squares. The difference between two squares. We can factorize, like two brackets, 1 minus and 1 plus. Okay, let's go to the second question. I need now Sarah.
Me?
Sarah. Yes, do you have another Sarah here? I see your name only. Yes, dear.
Two.
Read this question.
The expression x power 2 plus kx plus 25 is a perfect x square when k equal.
What do you mean of perfect square here? This is my secret key. Perfect square. What I will do now to bring the value of k. What do you mean of perfect square now? This this words helping me to solve how this word helping me. Do you remember grade 9 or no?
Remember, teacher.
This middle term, how we can bring it?
I will perfect square, teacher.
We
You mean
make please can I say
Yes, you can, dear.
we make two
Mhm.
groups.
No, I will not factorize. I need to bring the middle term if I have perfect square. The perfect square, how we can make it?
X plus 5.
Do you know the meaning of the perfect square? Perfect square, something like 1 minute, like A plus B, all of it, power of 2, or A minus B, all of it, power of 2. This is called the perfect square, grade 9. How we can now factorize this and this? Who can remind me? The first one, square of the first one, power of 2.
A power 2 plus B power
Yes,
of 2.
and this here, the third term, B power of 2. What about the middle term? First,
A and B.
multiply. No, not and, multiply. First, multiply by second, multiply by
B.
2. Multiply 2 is a consonant with me. A times B times 2. A times B times 2. So it will be what here? Plus A plus and B plus. It means plus 2AB. Do you remember now?
Yes.
So if I wanted to bring the middle term now, I don't have it. X, Y, Z, anything. What I will do? Put this in your mind, grade 9. To bring the middle term, if you have perfect square, you will make what? Square root for the first term, x, times the square root for the third term, like times 2. Right or no?
No, teacher, I don't understand.
Again, dear. The middle term, I can bring it how? From the rule, the first term times the second term times 2. Right or no now? Yes, 2AB. Now I don't have it, but I have what? I have the first term power of 2 and the third term power of 2. I need A and B only. To bring A and B only, what will you do? You will take the square root, right or no? Yeah, I need A, so I have here. What?
I remember it, teacher.
Teacher, I have a question. From where did you bring the A and from where did you bring the B?
From this question from my mind to remember what the meaning of perfect square. Perfect square. Okay, this question from my mind. We have now two terms, all of them inside the brackets like this, and all of them power of 2. And here also A minus B, all of them power of 2 inside the brackets. Okay, don't confuse between this and the difference between two squares. A power of 2 minus B power of 2. This not like this. Here we have a brackets, all of it power of 2. This is called the perfect square. But here, this is square and this another square means the difference between two squares. Don't confuse between them. Okay, now if I have perfect square, as a rule, you should know it. The first term power of 2, the second term power of 2, and the middle term, how we can bring it, first times second times 2 without square. First times second times 2. It means what? It means I need to bring A and B, but I don't have. I have only A square of 2 or power of 2 and B power of 2. If I need to bring A, I will take the square of A, square root of A power of 2, and B also if I need it.
Teacher, understand what you're saying.
Yes, excellent, dear. Then multiply by 2.
But I
I will make like this.
still didn't understand number 2.
Number 2. Yes, I'm explaining it now. Here, I need to bring the middle term. I need to bring the middle term. Middle term means what? The first times the second times 2. Here, do you have x only?
No, x power 2.
I have x power of 2. It means what? It means I need to cancel this power of 2. How we can cancel it? I will take the square root of it. And here, here also
5.
5 times 2. This 2 consonant with me. Don't check.
10.
Okay.
Teacher,
So
where did you put it to?
this in rule, dear. This in our rule. Times 2. Oh, this in our rule. As a constant. Yeah, as a constant. We can't change it. So here
kx
times
kx
the square root of 25 is what?
5.
5 times 2.
10.
5 times 2 give me 10. 10 multiply x, it means 10x. Right or no?
Yes. Yes.
Teacher, I have a
Right.
question. What is the meaning of k now? From where did I bring the kx, or how I'm gonna use it in the problem? Solving
Look
the
here.
problem.
I have x in the answer, and you have here x in the question. It means you can bring only k. K equal what, dear?
10.
10. If
Teacher,
you
I still
can,
didn't
B.
understand. I still didn't understand it.
do you remember the perfect square?
Yes.
Yes. How we can factorize the perfect square here? If I have 1 minute, x.
Square root.
1 minute. 1 minute. If no, I have now x plus 5, all of them like this. Part 2. And now I need to factorize. How?
It will be 5x. It will be, sorry, x to the power of 2
Yes, x to the power of 2
plus
plus
2 times 5 equal 10 over 10x.
yes. It means what? What would you do now? First
2
times
5
second times 2, right? First times second times 2. It will be 10x. Yeah, excellent. And the third term
Then
will be
it will be 5 to the power of 15.
25. 25
Yes,
d.
correct. It will be 5
25.
to the power of 2.
Excellent. Right. Now he canceled this 10 in my question and to put a variable k like this. 1 minute. How we can bring it now? How we can bring it?
Can I say?
We know that. 1 minute. We know that if I need to bring the middle term, you said like this. First times second times 2. But I don't have in my question this. I have only this equation. What I will do? I know that x times the 5 times 2. I don't have x. I don't have 5. What I will do? I will take the square root for x power of 2. Why, teacher? Because I need x only, not x power of 2.
It will give me x.
Times.
Square
Yes, it will
root
get
of
excellent
5
x now.
of 25.
I need this, square root of 25.
Teacher,
Superstar, give you what?
Teacher, but why
5.
did you eliminate the kx?
Yes. 1 minute. I can't hear all of you in the same time.
No, teacher, I just have a question.
Please speak.
Why did you eliminate the
Malak.
kx?
Why did what?
You eliminate the kx.
This the middle, all of it called the middle term. I have already x. Now I need to bring the k.
Oh, okay.
All of it. Okay, all of it. Give me a middle term. Okay, now.
Okay.
Times 2 in my rule. So the square root of 25 is 5 times this point means times 2. Now 5 times 2 give me 10. times x give me
It will
10.
be 10x.
I have already x in my question, so
Yes.
k equal just 10. Okay.
Yes, teacher, thank you. I understand it now.
Yes, excellent, dear. Thank you. All of you understand this point now?
Yes.
Because I will erase now to see two things. 1 minute. Now all of you tell me that k equal 10. Teacher, but I have two choices now. Which one I will take? 10 or positive or negative 10? Which one I
Positive
will
or negative 10.
No, I will take only
B, because there a plus here.
No. And which time I will take positive or negative? Look here. If you see the equation like this, x power of 2 space plus 25, and here x, it's okay. In this case, I will take positive or negative. Maybe positive 10 or negative 10. But here I have already the sign. It's a positive. So I will take just 10. You got it, dears?
Yes.
Teacher, no, teacher, I didn't got it.
Again, here you have a sign already, dear. Okay? So I can take positive or negative. If you take now negative, you will change all the equation. It's right?
So, teacher, you mean I will take the sample which is found in my equation?
Look here, yeah. You look at or take it from your equation now. So this is, you have a sign. It's a plus. So it means you need what? Positive number. So you can now take positive or negative?
No.
No, just a 10. In which time I will take this answer?
Positive or negative?
If you don't have a sign, maybe positive, maybe negative. You got it, dear?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Now let's go to number 3 and pay attention, please. Now I need, who can answer or help me to answer this question, dears? Yes, Malak.
Teacher, can I answer it?
Yes, Malak.
Okay, teacher. The expression x2 to the power of 2 plus 7x plus b can be factorized if b equal.
What is this?
Equal with it will be equal.
We can solve this question. How we can solve it? What is this? Who can tell me?
It's an equation.
Equation. Yeah, the degree of this equation is 2. Why? Because yes, the big power is 2. Okay. Now how we can solve this question? Look here. We have here two constants. This one and this one. Okay. We have a relationship between them. B, or the last term here, means what? Multiplication, multiply. Here, the addition of the same number you took it here. What the meaning of this? I will think in a number. If you multiply them, give you B, and if you add the same number, give you 7. Now, let's try 5. If you cancel B and put 5 now, again, this is the place of multiplication. 5. You can make 5 as what and what? 5. What times what? Give me 5. This the multiplication. Think in the multiplication. What and what? Give me 5. Sorry, times what? What times what? Give me 5, grade 9.
5 times 1.
5 times 1. Do you have another answer?
No.
No. So this is the place of multiplication. 5 can be 5 times 1. Now take these numbers and add them to get the middle term. 5 plus 1 give you 7.
No.
No.
No, so we can't take 5. 5 is wrong. Let's take
Teacher,
or
I don't understand.
again.
How do you do it?
Again. Now, this, what did I mean? What we have? What now? We have an equation. Okay. The degree of this equation is from 2. يعني the second degree. How we can factorize it? How we can factorize it? The last term I use the multiplication. The middle term I use addition or subtraction according to my sign here. Maybe addition or maybe subtraction. Now, I will think in the first, I will think in the third term using the multiplication. Now, B, he needs a B. Okay, I will try to check all the choices. Take 5. Okay, I will think in 5. 5, what times what? Give me 5. You said 5 times 1. I don't have another thing.
1.
5 times 1. This is the multiplication. Now take the same number you think in and add them. Why I say I use addition here? Because my sign is plus. Is 5 and 1 give you 7 years?
No.
No, so 5 is wrong. Let's check another one. Now I will check 6. I will see what times what in multiplication. Think in multiplication in the first. What times
2
what
and
give
3.
me 6?
2 and
2
3.
times
6 and
3.
1.
Yes, excellent. 2 times 3 or 6 times 1. I will check now. First, check this. 2 times 3 give me 6. 2 plus 3 give you 7. I need this.
No. No. 6 multiply
we
1.
can't take it.
It will be 6
Yeah.
multiply 1.
6 times 1 give you 6. And the 6 plus 1 give you 7. 6 plus 1 give you 7.
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, it means that this answer is correct. Again, this point. All of this you took it before grade 9. Again, now we have an equation. Now, for of the second degree, from where I know, from the big power I have. Okay. Now, the last term, I will think in multiplication. And the middle term, I will think it may be addition or maybe subtraction. But if you choose any number, you will use it here again. We have a relationship between them. Now, if you choose 6, you will think, what times what give me 6? You have 2 times 3 and 6 times 1. Now, if you choose 2 and 3 or 2 times 3, if you add these numbers, 2 and 3, give you 7? No.
No.
Now, check this one. 6 times 1 give you 6. It's okay. And 6 plus 1.
Plus 1 equals 7.
Yes. So your answer now is correct. Okay, dears?
Okay.
Teacher, can you please explain number 6, number 3 again?
We can, dear. We can. Now, if I need to factorize this equation, dear, I can't factorize this equation by any number. يعني if you put here 9, no. If you put here 5, no. If you put here 7, no. Why? Because B, we have a relationship between B and the variable in the middle. We have a relationship between them. What is from where this relationship? If you write here any number, if you ask yourself what times what give me this number and add to this number again, you should have the middle term. Like what? Let's bring another example for you. If I have x power of 2 plus 5x
We have
plus 4. Okay, dears, if I need to factorize this equation, what I will do, I will put, 1 minute, look here. You will remember now, inshallah. I will open 2 parentheses. X here and the x there. Now I will think in this number. What in multiplication? What
2
times what give
multiply
me 4?
2 multiply 2.
What? Only
2 multiply 2.
Only 2 multiply 2?
Or
Huh?
4
times
multiply
1.
1.
4 times 1. Okay, excellent. Now I will check my answers. If
And
I
what
choose
times 2?
one, if I choose 2 times 2, now take this 2 and the 2 and add them. Here I think in addition or subtraction. 2 plus 2 give me 5.
No.
2 plus 2 give me 5. No, I have to take this choice. Now think in 4 times 1. 4 times 1 give me 4. 4 plus 1 give me 5.
Yes.
Teacher, why 1?
Yes,
Teacher, why 1?
because I think in all the factors give me 4. All the factors give me 4. 2 times 2 give me 4. 4 times 1 give me 4. Do you have another thing give me 4 in the multiplication?
Teacher, you said 4 times 1, it will give me 4. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So teacher,
Now I will take now this
what did you do at plus 1 to give me 5? From where did you bring
4
plus
plus 1. I take the same number. I multiply it. I multiply them here and add them here. I said for you we have a relationship. I said for you we have a relationship between the numbers I chose. So 4 times 1 it's 4. Times 1 it's 4. It's okay. Now 4 plus 1 give me 5. The middle term, yes. So I can put 4 here and 1 here. Both of them we have now plus. This now I factorize this equation. My equation now is correct. But if you put here any another number, 1 minute, like 3 for example, now we can't
3
factorize.
times 2. Okay.
We can't factorize. We can't. Because if you search about 3, only 3 times 1 give you 3. Is 3 plus 1 give you 5? No. So here I can't factorize. He is asking about the same idea. If b equal what, you can factorize. I think in a number, if you multiply here, give you the same answer if you add them here. 6. 6 times 1 give me 6. And 6 plus 1 give me 7. You got it, dears?
Yes,
Yeah,
teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Yes. You're welcome. Now, let's go to this geometry question. Who can read?
Me, teacher.
Okay, okay. I need now Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Yusuf. Abdurrahman. Yeah, Abdurrahman.
Can I answer?
Anas. Okay, Anas. Of course, dear. Read.
Okay. If the area of a parallelogram is 30 centimeters square and its base length is 10 centimeters, then the corresponding height equal?
Remind me in the first, the rule of the area of the parallelogram.
I think it's half base multiply height.
I think you said the rule of the triangle, the area of triangle. I need a parallelogram. Half times the base.
Base multiply height.
Base multiply height.
Yes, that's the base area of the parallelogram. Base times height. Times height. Okay. Now, he gave it to me already, the area. It's a 30.
Okay, 30 by 10 equal 300.
1 minute, yeah, Anas. 1 minute, dear.
I'm sorry. He wants the corresponding height. So we will do 30 divided 10. It will be 3.
To bring the height, Excellent, dear. To bring the height or the corresponding base, I will divide. To bring the height or the base, I will divide. Area times the base, like this. So,
Yeah, I have a question.
Equals
Yes, dear.
30 divided 10 equal 3.
Teacher, it
33.
means that the area of
Yes.
the parallelogram
Height times base, or base times
equal.
height. Say,
Okay, I understand it now.
yes, dear. We have a relationship between one minute. When we put this in your mind, grade 9. The area of the triangle is half times the base times the height. The area of the parallelogram cancel half. Base times height only. Okay, dears?
Teacher, and it okay.
Yes. Now I need
Can I answer,
Hannah.
please?
Hannah.
Yeah.
Yes, dear. Hannah, we are in question number 5.
Yeah.
Yes, dear. 1 minute to move up. Right? Yes, dear. Read it.
Okay. The triangle whose area is 24 centimeters square and its height is 8 centimeters. Then the length of the corresponding base is equal.
Yes. When you see something like this, dear, write the rule in front of your eyes. The area of the triangle equal. I just
Half by length by height.
base. We have in the triangle, this is called the base. Half times the base times height.
Yeah.
Half times the base times height. Now, do you have an area? An area?
Yeah.
Do you have it?
24 centimeters square.
Yes, it means, yeah. If you have it, it's okay. No problem. We can bring the base or height. He is asking about the what? The corresponding base. Base equal what? Base is what? If you need to bring from grade 6, from grade 5, if I need to put this in the side by itself, what I will do? I will cancel half and the height by division. Area divided half times the base times height, sorry. And also, if you wanted to bring the height, area divided half times base. You got it?
Yeah.
Grade 9, do you have any question here? I bring this in individual side. Okay, now your area is what, Hannah?
Area is 24 centimeters.
Area 24, yes, divided by half. Height, your height is
8, which is 4 after division.
yes, half 8 equal what? Half 8 equal what?
4
By
after
logic.
division.
So, yeah, 24 divided by 4 give you
8.
my heart. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. Not 8. It's a 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. Okay, dear? Yes, thank you. Do you have any question?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
Next question. Who can read it?
Can I answer, please?
This is speaking.
Can I
Rukaya,
read?
Rukaya, do you hear me, Rukaya?
Yes, teacher.
Rukaya. Yes, dear. The last question. Read.
If SS of the equation x2 equal 9 is
What? Again? What do you mean go of
Can
SS?
I... Solution set.
The solution.
if the
Yes,
SS
the solution.
of the equation x
The solution set.
okay, the solution set of the equation x to the power of 2 equal 9 equal n is we're gonna make the 9 root 9. Root 9.
Yes, here it means I need to take the square root for both of them to bring x like this.
Yeah. We should
It
take
would be
in this
equals.
truth, we should take negative and positive 3.
It means if you take the square root, it means negative or positive 3. It means I will take this answer.
Yes.
But ma'am,
All of you, do you have 1 minute? 1 minute? 1 minute.
No,
Okay, so I
teacher,
will take
the
now
other one
positive
is
or negative.
The other one is supposed to be negative or positive above each other. This is no.
No, no, يا حبيبي. No, no, no. Any, if you take the square root for any number, the answer positive or negative. Okay, يعني if I write for you now what is the square root for 25, your answer should be like
Negative or
this.
positive
This is the
5.
complete answer. Negative or positive 5.
okay, ma'am,
But here I will take 1 minute. 1 minute. Here I will take this answer now.
Yes.
No. If you take this answer, it will be wrong. Why, teacher? You just say if I take the
Yeah.
square root for any number, you have positive or negative. But you should complete the question, dears. In what? In the natural
N.
number.
Yeah.
Do we have
So it's
negative
gonna be
number? Do you have negative numbers in? So if you take
no.
if this answer, it will be wrong. So only the positive we will choose.
C.
But if you see Q, the rational numbers, or Z, integers numbers, or are the real numbers, this or this or this, okay, you can take positive or negative.
But since it is
Have any
an
question?
N, so we're gonna
N?
take C.
The right answer is these, right?
The right answer in this question is C.
Yes.
You will take only, you will take only the positive number, because we don't have in natural number negative. Do you have negative? Do you have -1, -2 in the natural number?
Right.
Okay, but if you root for you Q or
R.
Z or R, you can take positive or negative. Okay, dears?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
Anyone has any question?
No.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much.
You're welcome, dear. Okay, I was very happy to be with you today. Inshallah, I will see you in the next time. Thank you for your time. Thanks.